Window calibration issues in Tesla Model 3 and Model Y vehicles often manifest as auto-up failures or seal-related problems. These issues can prevent windows from fully closing, leading to potential leaks, wind noise, or moisture buildup. Calibration ensures the window stops at the correct position, maintaining proper seal compression. Window calibration resets the position sensors and motors that control the automatic window functions. This ensures windows move precisely and stop at the correct positions. Miscalibration can occur due to several factors. Software glitches often happen after over-the-air updates that affect the vehicle's systems. Physical impacts, such as hail damage, can disrupt the window regulators. And regular wear and tear on these components over time can cause them to lose accuracy. Performing regular calibration, similar to tire alignment for your vehicle, helps maintain the window system. This extends the lifespan of the components and reduces the likelihood of needing expensive repairs. Tesla has introduced automated calibration features through over-the-air software updates. As of late 2024, version 2024.45.25 and subsequent patches include enhanced window motor diagnostics and auto calibration routines. The Tesla app now offers a guided calibration mode accessible via settings greater than service, greater than window calibration, providing step-by-step instructions to recalibrate your front windows without professional help. To initiate DIY calibration, ensure your vehicle is in park and the doors are unlocked. Open the Tesla app or access the touchscreen. Navigate to service mode by holding the brake pedal and shifting to drive twice. Select window calibration. Follow the on-screen prompts to fully close and then fully open each window multiple times. Repeating this process 3 to 5 times per window can reset the sensors. If app-based calibration isn't available or doesn't resolve the issue, manual calibration might be necessary. Start by ensuring the vehicle is in park mode and all doors are unlocked for safety. Next, access Tesla's service mode by holding the brake pedal and quickly shifting to drive twice. This enters the diagnostic interface. Navigate to the window calibration option in the service menu and select it to begin the guided process. Follow the prompts to fully close the window, then fully open it. Hold the switch in the up position for 2 to 3 seconds after closing, then hold in the down position for 2 to 3 seconds after opening. Repeat this open and close cycle 3 to 5 times for each window to properly reset the position sensors and ensure accurate calibration. If the window still doesn't calibrate correctly, there are several common issues to check. Let's go through the troubleshooting steps systematically. First, inspect the window tracks for any obstructions or debris that could prevent proper calibration. Even small particles can interfere with the window regulator's movement. Second, examine the weather stripping seals around the window frame. These seals must be clean and properly aligned to prevent air leaks and ensure the window closes correctly during calibration. Third, low battery voltage is a common culprit for calibration issues. The window motors require sufficient power to operate correctly, so make sure your Tesla is fully charged before attempting calibration. Finally, if the window continues to have issues after checking these common problems, it's best to contact Tesla service. Professional technicians can diagnose complex problems and ensure your warranty remains valid. Tesla certified technicians recommend using official app calibrations to maintain warranty coverage. This approach ensures your vehicle's warranty remains valid and provides access to the latest diagnostic tools. Avoid using third-party tools that could potentially damage the body control module, BCM. The BCM is a critical component that manages various vehicle systems, and unauthorized modifications can lead to costly repairs or safety issues. Automotive engineers predict that AI will automate calibrations in the future. Advanced sensors and machine learning could allow vehicles to detect and correct window issues automatically, reducing the need for manual maintenance. Consumer advocates suggest consulting service professionals for calibration if you're a novice. Professional technicians have the expertise and tools to perform calibrations safely, preventing accidental damage to your vehicle's systems. Looking ahead, future Tesla models will integrate window functions with vehicle AI, allowing automatic adjustments based on weather conditions using advanced sensors.